Hi everybody, it's your SC Bestie Tiffany Simons, owner and operator of Faces by Tiffany Beauty Bar. Today we're doing a wax review for a brand called Sexy Smooth Wax. I'll tag them in the caption. Sexy Smooth Wax sent me over their purple Seduction wax. This is their premium stripless hard wax for hair removal. Let's get into it, you guys. So this is my client Peach. I actually performed this wax. I did a Brazilian on her that unfortunately I didn't get the full footage of it. The camera cut off, nothing recorded. So we went ahead and did her underarms. And I think this is better to prevent me from getting any type of flags here on TikTok. All right. So first thing I noticed about this wax is when I lay it, it kind of smooths out almost like Laffy Taffy. It melts really fast. I don't have to turn it up the temperature on the wax. I don't have to turn it up really hot. High. I can set it at a low setting, so it is a low temperature wax, which is great for clients. It spreads really good. When I force it, when I spread my wax, I like to force those hairs down, and I feel like it does a really good job of picking up all of those hairs. I really like this wax, so much so that I am really considering switching to this brand. Currently, I use another brand. I don't want to mention the brand that I use in this video, but I've been using that brand for about 3 years, and I like it. I actually really love it, but I feel like this is just way better than it. I do notice that this wax dries pretty fast. It really does dry pretty fast, and you get a really clean, smooth pull with this wax. Again, this is the Sexy Smooth Wax, and this is their purple Seduction premium stripless hard wax. Okay, so this is the other side. I laid this wax thick, I laid it thin, I did a sharp pull, and I did a staggered pull with it. All the different pulls and way I do really worked. Like I said, I was able to complete a full Brazilian with this wax, and it was amazing. Okay, which is why I'm really considering switching to this wax. They reached out to me here on TikTok and asked if I wanted to review this wax. I said sure, no problem. So that was just a regular pull, you see, and it pulled everything. I always go back because although you can't see hair with your eyes, there's always some hair there, so I always like to go back and do a second pull. So this pull, I do believe I did more staggered. Let's see, or did I do that with the other arm? Let's see. I wanted to see how it would. I did a regular pull. So on the other arm, I did a stagger pull. And I did a bunch of stagger pulls with the Brazilian that I did earlier, too. This is a good wax, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and lay the wax thin as I can get. I just want to see if it'll break. Because the brand that I use, the reason why I love that wax is because I can lay it really thin. And look, you guys, this wax can be laid super thin and not break. That's a stagger pull. Okay, so I did do a stagger pull on the other arm, you guys. This wax, I rated a 10 out of 10. I think it's going to be really easy to learn how to use, whether you're a student or a novice at waxing. I really like this wax a lot, y'all might have a regular client, Sexy Smooth Wax. I really love this wax. I'm just applying some oil on her underarms. At the end, my clients want to give her review on this wax as well. Just say regular of mine. Anytime I need a model, this is who I call because she does a really good job at being a model for me. So give it a second. She's gonna be coming up soon with her review of the wax. I'm giving this wax a thumbs up. It is amazing. Okay, how was the wax?
The wax was good. As she was spreading it, you can feel the hairs being pulled, but it wasn't too aggressive on the pull. I feel like it was a very clean wax, even for my underarm and
the Brazilian
as well.
Now, compared to the other wax that I normally use on you, in this one, you could tell the difference that I was using a different wax?
I only can tell you was using a different wax because, like I said, as you was spreading it, and it was drying fast as well. And so as she was drying it with the mix with the spread, I could feel the hair follicles being pulled out.
Tighter. Okay, that's good to know. So yeah, I personally, I'll do a review with you guys. Peach comes to me to get waxed. She's been, this was your 4th or 5th time getting waxed from me?
I think so.
She's a really good, perfect model for this. Her hair always comes out really easy. She's not jumpy. Trust her. When she says it's a good wax, it's a good wax. Okay, you guys. I'm actually considering switching to this brand. Yeah. Yeah, this is the Sexy Smooth Purple Seduction. Yeah, I'm really considering. I really like this wax a lot. Currently, I use mermaid wax, but this right here is a really good wax. The pulls were amazing. You guys will see in the video. All right.
Thank you.